Are you really busy? You've got lots of things to do, and it seems like no time to get them done. You're not making progress. Isn't it time to get your life together? Watch this video to learn the 6 most important things to track in your planner to get your life organized and get your life together. Those 6 things are time, money, goal, mind, body, soul. Hello, I'm Katie. I help busy people get organized and stay focused by using a daily planner. For weekly videos about planners and accessories, productivity, organization, and success, subscribe to the Planner channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every weekend. In this video, in my Planning 101 series, you're going to learn 6 very important things to track in your planner to get your life organized. Number 1, time. We all have the same amount of time, but somehow some people accomplish an incredible amount of things with their time, and some people seem to never move out of the same place. Which one are you going to be? Let's see if we can do a little better on managing our time. Instead of taking that huge, giant to-do list and squeezing all of that into your planner, into your daily schedule, you instead clarify your priorities and set your tasks underneath each of your priorities, and then place those tasks in your daily schedule. To help you clarify your priorities, I've created a guide called the Power Plan Checklist, which you can download for free by clicking the link in the description below. Number 2, money. We all have a little bit or a lot of money, but either way, you need to track it to make sure it is doing what you want it to do. Now I use a budget planner, and I have put something together that has saved me so much time. I really only look at money once a month. Most of it's automated, and I track it in my budget planner. We'll be going through all of that in another video very soon. Number 3 is goals. Do you have a goal? Do you have lots of goals? Whether you have 1 goal or a million goals, the only way to make really great progress is to choose one to start with and work on that goal every day. Type yes in the comment section below if you have a big goal that you're working on or you would like to make progress on. My goal right now is the Planner channel. The next 3 things are not so obvious things to track in your planner, and they are mind, body, and soul. The first one being mind. This is your thoughts, your ideas, your experiences. Are you tracking them so that you can use them again later when you need them? The best way to track all of that is to use a journal. And the way I use my journal is to practice journaling every day. I use a horizontal planner and write a little bit every day in that, as well as a full blank journal section where I can keep all of my good ideas so that I can go back and find them again. The next thing to track is body. Are you taking care of your body? That's where all of our energy comes from, whether it be health or fitness, wellness, meal planning. All of those things are things you can track in your planner to take good care of your body. The last thing is soul, your well-being. For you, that might mean your faith or your religion, and there are some really beautiful planners out there that you can use for Bible study or for journaling your faith. The way that I track soul in my planner is to use a gratitude journal. And in this planner, I write 3 things every day to be grateful for. And what's amazing about that is that it adds up. I've already been doing this for 2 years, and that's almost 2,000 things to be grateful for, and it really helps to change the way you feel. Keep watching this Planning 101 series to find all the different ways that you can track these 6 things in your planner. If this video is helpful, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the like button. See you in the next video.